now looking at GBP CAD for sales. As you can see, based on the 4-hour, looks like we're coming down. So I'm looking to get in on some entries. Break down gold. Okay, let's look at gold real quick. Okay, so gold, I'm still bearish on gold. Right now I have alert near the 78.6 retracement zone, but gold looks like it's still coming down based off the higher time frame. If we push up, it's cool, but ideally I'm still looking for a sell to the downside for gold. So I'm currently in GBP New Zealand. I was in a trade from yesterday. I got in a sell around here, but obviously the market pushed up. But since we are looking at the higher time frame, this area is a nice area of rejection previously. So I'm just monitoring that, and there's a lot of news this week. As you can see, we're Tuesday. We got New Zealand news around 4:45, so it's gonna be very volatile around that time. And obviously Wednesday is a big news day with a lot of PMI data and BOC data. So I'm trying to see if I can find some new trades to enter in. So Euro New Zealand look like it's tracing down a little bit, but we are on an uptrend overall. Some people might get like a sell to catch a retracement. EURAUD. Hold on. Okay. So let me go back to gold. Let's go back to gold. So yeah, so gold, it's been consolidating, waiting for news to push it up or down. But ultimately, I'm looking at gold to come down since we broke structure. And then silver, if we go to the daily chart, we're at an interesting area over here. This was like a previous push to the upside. So I'm trying to see the volume getting tested here. If we break through this support, we're going to go to the downside. So I'm just being mindful on that. So I'm not looking for no trades yet on silver. USD JPY, there was a news that pushed the market down. So ideally, we're looking for sell setups. Let me trade this on my account. Hold on 1 second, people. Trying to find. I'm looking to trade this one. Looking to get in a sell. Right now we're retracing up a little bit on USD JPY. I missed out on the news that spiked it down, but retracing up a little bit. Any other pairs you guys want me to analyze this morning? Put any on the chat. Let me see the 4-hour chart. Yeah, this pair's it's been looking like we finally about to come back down. Okay, hold on 1 second. Multitasking real quick. Okay. Let me get some more trades this morning. Okay, Bitcoin USD. Hold on 1 second. So Bitcoin dropped. So it hasn't created like a support. Hasn't created support yet. So right now it's constantly dropping. So right now there's a lot of bearish momentum. I was looking for support to ride it back up, but it hasn't created no strong support yet on a 4-hour. So Bitcoin is constantly dropping right now. So the buys is still sells for now. So you guys could scalp it. If you're gonna scalp it, ideally you should go to the lower time frames. I can see it's creating new lows. It's on the 15. This is one setup right here where it retraced off the fib level and came down. So I'll wait for support here and then look for like a new setup of retracement. But yeah, right now it's dropping fast. Okay, so that's Bitcoin. I'm not trading that. GBPUSD shot down during the London session, but it looks like it could be setting up for a buy. Let me see New Zealand USD. Oh damn, that's my entry. But yeah, I was focused on sales for New Zealand USD. Right here, it was a great opportunity to get in and sell. Since right now it looks like we were coming down, but looks like we're trying to create some type of support. But I'm just observing this. I have my alert. USD JPY. Right now, focusing on sales for USD JPY due to what happened with the news and the wick rejection. So let's focus on sales. EURAUD. Looks like we're coming down. Looks like we have a lot of strength for the dollar. We tried to break up here, but we came down. So this is on 4 hour. So I'll be focused on sales on that pair if I was to trade that pair. Let's look at NAS 100. So this is what I'm waiting for. I'm looking for sales only on this pair right now. It's been consolidating. Waiting for a New York session to decide what I'm about to do with this pair. Hold on 1 second. So any other pairs you guys want me to analyze? So right now I'm waiting for you NAS 100, the New York session. US 30, not trading that. I think NAS is more of a clear opportunity since US 30 is very bullish overall. Looking for a retracement, ideally, for sales. So I'll probably get more positions on USD JPY since we are dropping. More sell positions. Let's look at okay. So that's my focus right now on this pair for sales. Looks like we're about to come up one more time for New Zealand USD. Let's zoom in on the 4 hour to see what's going on. as you see, we broke through, created a new low, came back up, traced down, but looked like we're creating some type of support to push up. So just have to be mindful on that. But yeah, but there is news around 4:45 New York time. So that should be able to give good direction for the pair. Because if you look at the daily chart, we're at an interesting area. If we don't break to the upside, we will break to the downside. So this is like a very important area where we're at right now. And also check out on my channel, I got these weekly analysis of what I do on a weekend to see based off the news events and market structure. I make analysis of what I think is about to happen in the market. So check out those videos. I'll put it in the description. But yeah, it's 2024. It's a new year, new trading year. So, what's your tip for USD JPY? My tip is sells right now. Let me go to USD JPY for those who just joined. Right now, sells. Since there was news, the news, what was that? The BOC stuff, policy rates, that caused it to spike up and to come back down. So I am looking for sells. I'm adding more position as we speak. So focus on sells right now for USD JPY. That would be the ideal move. At least the ideal move for me. To each is their own. So let me go to the 4-hour for USD JPY. Okay. So that's the thing about USD JPY. It had crazy bullish momentum, but obviously we got into this funny zone area here where there's like consolidation. The market is struggling to break. This up here was a previous high right here. We're trying to create some lows. So that's why I'm focusing on sales right now. And I know there's news this week and stuff, so we should see how the market's pushing it. But if we go to the 1-hour chart, it looked like we broke structure. So that's why I'm looking for sales only right now. If I get a better position for sales, I'll take, but I'm just focusing only on sales, and we shall see what New York brings. Any other questions? Let's go to gold. So we got gold traders. Yeah. Gold is waiting for news. So this is a range for gold. If we break up, we're gonna come up to this zone. If we break down, we'll come down to this zone. So I'm seeing how gold is ranging in this zone area. Right now it's not my ideal setup, so I'm chilling out on that pair. Euro New Zealand. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We pushed up. Look like we're coming back down. Right now, just waiting for setups. GBP JPY. Obviously, it's shot down because of news. But look at all this consolidation on the 4 hour. It's called consolidated to the upside, shot down due to the news for the yen. But ideally, let's go to the daily chart. The candles are getting smaller on the daily. So let's know there's gonna be a breakout soon. Probably to the downside. Probably more strength for the yen. This pair is kind of messy. The pound, USD. Okay. Right now I'm just waiting on NAS 100. The next hour or so, the sell should play out. So just waiting for New York session. So any charts anybody in the chat wants to analyze or see? Let me clear out this. Okay, looks like we're coming for some sales soon for the pound USD. Show my analysis. GBPUSD. But add a trade alert. Let's see what's going on with the lower time frames. Yeah, nothing's going on for the pound yen. So I'm gonna stay out of that. USD JPY consolidating a little bit, but still focusing on sales only at this time. So this is a pair I'm still in for sales. Okay, looks like we're coming down. Any pairs anyone in chat want me to analyze? Right now, waiting for the candlestick to close for the 30-minute. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna see how the 30-minute candle closes. If we close below here, so right now we're pushing up, retracing up a little bit. That's cool. Gives opportunity for a better entry. About to close out the stream pretty soon. You right there. Okay, I'm back real quick. I'm about to end the stream pretty quick. Just about to do one quick analysis. USD JPY, focusing on sales still, because we broke the structure right here, and we zoom out, you can see we broke the structure. So only focusing on sales at this moment. And what else? New Zealand USD. Just gonna be observing this. I missed my entry earlier during London session, but it's okay. Let's see how the 4-hour candle closes. To see if I want to get in for buys, but we'll see. GP New Zealand. Just observing this since we are in an interesting area. This consolidation. And it's based off the daily. This area is a strong area of rejection, so just being mindful for that. So that's why I'm don't look too key into buying, just focus on sales right now at this time. And then for Bitcoin, it's a sell off, so I'm just trying to go to lower time frames to look for new opportunities to sell. So that's pretty much it. And that concludes the stream. Definitely practice risk management and just be mindful. There's heavy news happening this week, so just be mindful for the news for New Zealand at 4:45 p.m. Eastern time, as well as Wednesday, where it's loaded from London to New York session with multiple high impact news. So that's it. Take care, everybody.